Hi, this is a quick screencast. I just need to check off a few things before I action them. So what I've got is a website, a WordPress website, which I've transferred with the plugin migrator to SiteGround. I've got a whole bunch of websites that I need, about 50, that I'm converting over to SiteGround. And email is the issue at the moment that I'm trying to get sorted. In here I've got the DNS records, and on the existing website I've got the DNS records here via WHM. So as far as I know, I haven't done this before. I changed this serial number, so the year, month, day, hour, and that will get it started when I change this to update the records. So I changed the two name servers to these name servers here for Maxim International. I just take out that third one and leave that blank. This is what I'm suggesting, so please let me know if I'm not correct in any of what I'm about to say. So Maxim International here, I changed the IP address for the A name record to this IP address. And then with the mail, it's handled by SecureISS, which is a third-party email provider. So we want to keep that when the domain propagates over, so that the emails experience no downtime. So I've got 3 MX records, 1 here and 2 down here. So what I plan to do is populate in here where the MX records are, delete these 3 MX records and replace it with the ones that I just showed you in advance. So changing these now before I start the propagation DNS repointing procedure. So remove these and put in the other ones. Also, there is so the default domain key, I'm pretty sure I would leave that alone. So default domain key, so I leave that one alone. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I've got, where are they? So there's a text record here for not default, Maxim International here, a text, and this is to do with SecureISS. So copy this text record across, copy this SRV server, whatever it is, record across, because that's SecureISS. This is MailChimp, so add this CNAME record so that spam and everything doesn't get affected. And this one I'm pretty sure, yeah, MailChimp MC, so that one as well. So having said that, so the text and the SRV, CNAME and text in here, correct me if I'm wrong, but I plan to delete all of these text records here and then replace all of these text records with the text records that exist already. So the only thing left now is all of these other A records, and I believe that I don't need to worry about them because they will auto configure when the site propagates over to SiteGround. So that's essentially my proposed method of doing this. So once I've pre-filled all of these in, hopefully they will remain, and then when I redirect and click save down here for the new name servers and the new IP address, it should happen seamlessly. So that's what I plan to do. Could you please let me know if I'm on track or if anything needs to be revised? Okay, great. Cheers. Thanks.